Ladies and gentlemen, good night. It is a pleasure to me being here to the launch of this new yummy product, Anko Donuts. My name is Gerardo Hurtado, and I have this new, very exciting product to fill your stomach and your pockets. Anko Donuts, it is a family business born during the 2020 pandemic product of the lack of jobs in my town. Anko Donuts are frozen donuts ready to eat once it gets thawed with different flavors on the top. These flavors depend on your favorite taste, or even it can be decorated according to a theme party. For example, a wedding, anniversary, baby shower, etc. The box includes a dozen of delicious donuts and two flavors topping, which can be chocolate, syrup, or white chocolate, or any food coloring. The dozen box price is 150 pesos, but if you need more than one box, it costs 140 pesos with no charge of delivery. If, if this product is to have your own earnings, we recommend you do it from 15 to 18 pesos each donut. The expire day is 3 days from that. The benefits the benefits are that you don't have to cook anything. Don't spend money on gas. Your kitchen never get dirty, and you don't have to be a baker. If you are interested to taste a delicious dessert and have a wonderful incomings, call me right now. The numbers are on the screen or email me at ankodonuts@gmail or ankodonuts.com and be ready to be the best donut salesman.